Hi there, it's Roy Breton here from GardenEquipmentReview.com. Hope you're doing well. Today we're looking at something a bit different, the Feider Petrol pressure washer or power washer. I don't know if that's the right name to pronounce Feider, but that's how I say it. The Feider's a French company that seems to have sprung up in the UK over the last few years. They seem to be good at making sort of budget machinery at a reasonable quality and good prices. So, for example, this machine is on special offer at £349.95. It's £150 reduction off the retail price, which certainly for a petrol machine is excellent value. Now, I brought a power washer, is something I always wanted, and I brought one about 18 months ago. It's one of those. It's not one of those things I use a lot, but it's great for doing the patio, cleaning machinery, sometimes cleaning the car if I don't get it cleaned somewhere else. But certainly a very useful feature. Now, I brought this Stihl one. They're not cheap, and but I've always liked Stihl products, and that's an electric. But probably now, if I knew about this petrol one for the price, I would have probably went for the petrol one, because you haven't got the you don't need electricity. It's more portable. Obviously you need a water supply, but it's certainly very practical and a good price. So let's have a look at some of the features. So a powerful petrol washer. I have got the specs down below. It's got quite a good flow rate, to be fair, but we'll come to that in a minute. A premium 4-stroke engine, a high spec axial pump with stainless steel pistons for longevity. Transport wheels, always good, so you can just pull it around, and also somewhere to wind up the cable and to strap the hold the lance on is useful. A detergent tank for those heavy duty jobs. I don't often use detergent, but you can use it like on your car or on patios for removing grease, etc. The engine comes with the traditional recoil starting, quick start technology. The whole thing is in a steel frame, so it's kind of protected, the engine and the pump. Fairly simple, to be fair. Has great reviews and 2 years warranty, so you haven't got any costs for 2 years, which is great. The water flow, as I mentioned earlier, the fuel tank capacity says 0.12 litres. I don't think that can be right, to be fair. It's probably more like a couple of 3 litres, I'd have thought, but being realistic. So the water flow is 510 litres an hour, 11 litres a minute. So that's roughly 2.5 gallons a minute if you're working in old money, just to give you an estimation of the flow. So just to conclude, I put everything in here. The machine does come with nozzles, trigger gun, 9.5 metres of reinforced, high pressure hose, spark plug spanner, quick start guide. Would I buy one? Yes, I would, but 2 reasons. It's not something I use every day, so it's not going to have industrial use. It does get used, but not. Probably, to be fair, I probably use my power washer once a month, not huge amounts. And I like the idea of petrol, no cables or anything, and the 2-year warranty. That gives, I know for 2 years I've got no expenses. I believe my Stihl only had 1 year warranty. I'm not quite sure, but at least a purchase from a good manufacturer, so it should be fine for a few years. And good, basically it's got good reviews, so have a look, and if you're going to embed this YouTube video into this blog post, if you've got any comments, please feel free to leave a comment on YouTube, and I do try and reply to comments. Doesn't always work, but I do try. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you another time.